this idea of there being more possible configurations of protein arrangements than there are stars in the universe, or was something else? Atoms in the universe?
No, yeah, it's atom limited. So we get into a lot of discussions, Nick, about potential other life forms. Sometimes we get very sci-fi. If you think about all of the different types of small molecules that you could make, the number exceeds the number of atoms in the universe. You know, if we could line them up one by one and try to knock them out, we would actually run out of material before you could hit every different possible combination of a small molecule, which is insane to think about.
Yeah, that almost feels like a scientific way of describing that anything is possible. Like we can make anything.
Yeah, like almost more things are possible than are possible, kind of.
That's crazy to me because you got to think of how many atoms are in one object in itself.
Right. There's like on the order of trillions of cells that make up our human body, like human cells.
Yeah.
In one individual body, there are trillions of cells, which are made up of, I don't know how many atoms in each individual cell.
Right.
So that number is absolutely an incredibly large number that's hard to fathom.
If everything that we know about life is basically a downstream product of these specific few nucleotides that are just like swapped, really, right? You're just like switching the order of them. It's not super complicated. What other potential things could you make if you swapped out all of the nucleotides with something else? Or instead of having pairs, you had like triplets, sets of 3 or something like that. Or maybe that's not stable, right? Like maybe that isn't possible. But yeah, man, it's fascinating to think about. It feels like it opens the window to other life forms and possibilities that we genuinely cannot imagine.